At Gyan we always try to build our own applications instead of going for a custom ERP. We try to build most of the applications using the G Suite for Education tools. So we have created an attendance app which works with the combination of Google Forms, Google Sheets, and AppScript. So here I can see a dashboard of all attendance from all the classes in one go. So here it is showing the attendance for the present date, and at the same time I can see the attendance for the current session of various classes. So all of these data is collected in a single sheet, and the teachers can enter the data with the help of a Google form. So we will have a look at how this actually works. So this is the maintenance sheet for the classroom teacher. So she has a link for the pre-filled link of Google form. Once the teacher goes to the Google Forms, she simply has to select the present date, and all the students of that particular class are marked present by default. So suppose someone is absent or is on leave, the teacher can do the relevant changes and then submit the data. Once the data is submitted, it appears here from the Google form in a new Google Sheet, and it is automatically appended at the right column, which corresponds to the date selected by the teacher. Once the teacher has marked the attendance for all the students, this particular cell is highlighted in green color with the right arrow. And suppose the teacher has not taken the attendance for any particular date, then it is highlighted in red color with a dot. So as a school principal, you can always have a look whether the attendance has been marked correctly or not. Similarly, I have applied logics for highlighting the weekdays and weekends in different colors. So the teachers never actually select a wrong date or something like that. But as you can see that we have limited number of columns here. But over the course of here, we will have more than 200 or 250 entries in this particular Excel sheet. So what my script so I want to automate this task. I don't want to manually insert a new column every day. So I have used Google Scripts for this purpose. So I have written a script here which I'm going to run just for the sake of it now. So when I run this script, it automatically inserts a new column as well as inserts a new date. I have scheduled a trigger for running this script at midnight every day. So whenever a new day comes in, a new column is automatically created where the data from Google form is automatically copied and pasted over here. So once we have created this template, everything happens on automatically, and we get to see the data in this nice format.